Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, so far you've been learning how to type, format and build your spreadsheets. Brilliant work so far. In this session, we're stepping it up by learning how to sort and filter your data. Whether you want to organize a list or focus on just the important stuff, Excel has the tools to help you work smarter. Let's start with sorting. Click anywhere inside the column you want to sort. Then from here, go to the Data tab at the top. Click Sort A to Z for text, or smallest to largest for numbers. Now your list is in perfect order. So this works for names, numbers, basically anything in a column. Next up is filtering. This helps you focus only on the rows you actually care about. So as you can see on the screen, if we select the header row, click the filter icon up here. Then once we've done this, we can use the drop-down arrows in included, and then we can uncheck say no, and as you can see on the screen now, it will only leave the rows that contain yes in. Now you're seeing just what you need. Clean, clear, and very focused. You can also sort and filter multiple columns at once. Just make sure to select your full table first, or better yet, press Ctrl then T to turn it into an official Excel table. That way, all your data stays connected. So, now you know, sorting and filtering don't just clean up your view, they help you analyze your data faster. You're basically telling Excel, show me what matters, and that's a big deal. Okay, if you want to try it yourself, here's a task for you to try right now. Open a spreadsheet with, say, 5 to 6 rows of data, things such as maybe items or prices. Then add a column and call it included, and type either yes or no in the cells. Then from here, try sorting your prices from high to low. Try turn your list into a table with Ctrl plus T. Try filtering to only show rows, say, marked yes. Good luck. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.